This is Amanda, Mallory's sister's takeover of Mallory's Crafty Corner. So these are the supplies that you're going to need. I don't know what any of those do. And we're going to start by making this, I guess that looks like brown. I'm not really sure what color this is, clay, and making it into balls. I think she's making a hamburger shape. So you're going to flatten one with your finger till it looks like a hockey puck. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a Clorox wipe. Maybe it's a baby wipe. Maybe she's just making sure the clay is clean. Here's, I think we're making the lettuce, and that looks like a shark fin. Not really sure what, but you're going to flatten it with that shark fin tool. And make it, again, look like a hockey puck. Oh, and then we have this other tool. I'm not sure what that's called. It has kind of like a little ball on it, and I think it's just adding some detail to make it look more like lettuce. And then you're going to put that on the burger and take that tool again and just kind of add some pizzazz to it. You're going to take the shark fin again and squeeze that down because this is the burger patty. And for some reason she's using a toothbrush, probably to add texture, not sure, but you're going to put that on top of the lettuce like you're building a sandwich. Now you're going to take, I guess the shark fin can also be used as a cutter, and you're going to cut it like you would cut any standard tomato, because this is the red clay, I assume is going to look like a tomato, but that looks more like a piece of pepperoni. But you wouldn't put pepperoni on a burger. That would just be weird. Maybe a pepperoni burger would taste good. But those are the tomatoes going on to your burger. Next, we're going to take this, I think it's a yellow shade of clay, and you're going to take an X-Acto knife and cut it until it looks like cheese, because every good burger has some cheese on it. And you can do any color you want. So you can do Swiss cheese and make little holes. Or if you're really thinking of going crazy, you could make some Colby Jack. And then you're going to put your top bun on top. And then it looks like you need to clean it off again, because I don't really know why, but... And then you're going to take that toothbrush, because a toothbrush is a great tool for adding texture, I guess. You're going to bake the charm according to your clay's instructions. Not really sure what that means. Just look on the box or bag or whatever it comes in and see what it tells you to do with your clay. And then you're going to fold a piece of paper, because Mallory of Mallory's Crafty Corner would love to have a sponsorship by In-N-Out someday. That's her favorite food. She put an In-N-Out burger hat on our dog once, and our dog loved it, and Mallory loves it. So she's making a sleeve for In-N-Out burger, like the sleeve their burgers come in. But you can make any sleeve you want. So you can make like a little box for a Big Mac if you're into a Big Mac, but then you'd have to add another patty and repeat some steps to make your clay charm burger look, in fact, like a Big Mac. And you'd have to add sesame seeds, which Mallory's Crafty Corner did not do in this video. You could make a Jack in the Box. You can make a side of curly fries. There's a lot you can do to be creative with this hamburger clay charm we saw Mallory's Crafty Corner make in this video. And now she's kind of flaking off some different pastels, I think those are. Not really sure. And she's just getting different colors, orange, brown, ruddy red kind of color. And now it looks like she's painting the burger. She's brushing that color, those colors she found onto the burger. So it kind of, I guess, looks like she's grilling it in a way. Because the burger, if you look at the clay from the beginning, the clay kind of looked like a greenish color. And now she's glazing it, because she kind of put that color on to give it more color and pizzazz, and she's glazing it for when it goes in the oven. Don't forget to follow her on Instagram. It's a great profile. My favorite one that I follow. Probably not. The second favorite that I follow. But that is the video, and I hope you enjoyed.